Okay, hello students, good morning. So today I am going to start the coordinate system and transformation. So first of all, what is a coordinate system? So coordinate system is a way of uniquely specifying the location of position in space with respect to reference of origin, right? That means any point is the intersection of three mutually perpendicular surface. Look at this diagram. Here OX, OY and OZ. So OX is x-axis, OY is the y-axis and OZ is z-axis. So three axes are perpendicular to the point O, right? So simply in this course video lecture, we will discuss about the rectangular coordinates, a Cartesian coordinate, spherical polar coordinate, cylindrical coordinates, right? So that is first of all we are talking about Cartesian coordinates. Cartesian Cartesian coordinates. Cartesian coordinate. इसको हम रेक्टेंगुलर कोऑर्डिनेट भी कहते हैं. रेक्टेंगुलर कोऑर्डिनेट, right? Coordinate, right? So here look at this diagram. Here OX, OY and OZ, right, are three mutually perpendicular lines taken as x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Here P is the point, the coordinate x, y, z. So here x is distance of P from x-axis, y is distance of P from y-axis and z is distance of P from z-axis, right? So simply to draw in three-dimensional picture, right? Suppose that A, B and C. Okay, A, B and C, right? Cut to the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Here x-axis I cap is the unit vector along x-axis, j cap is unit vector along y-axis and k cap is unit vector along z-axis, right? M, suppose L, M, N, right? That is 3D, three-dimension plane. Okay. So these plane are known as coordinates plane, right? So here x, o, y, x, o, y, इसको हम कहेंगे एक्स वाई प्लेन, एक्स वाई प्लेन, एक्स ओ जेड, एक्स ओ जेड, एक्स जेड प्लेन, ओके, एंड वाई ओ जेड, वाई ओ जेड, वाई जेड प्लेन, राइट, वाई जेड प्लेन, राइट. तो keep in the mind कि suppose this plane and this plane, a P XY plane. Look at this picture, just like a x-axis, y-axis. So XY plane, right? So XY plane, that is Z coordinates is 0. In XY plane, Z coordinate is 0. XZ plane, Y coordinate is 0, and YZ plane, X coordinate is 0. Keep in the mind. Again, you can also say कि x is distance, okay, कि x is distance here x equal to distance of a point P from which plane? YZ plane. From YZ plane. Okay, x is distance of point P from YZ plane, right? Y equal to distance of point P from XZ plane. Okay, XZ plane, and Z is distance of point P from XY plane. XY plane. Clear? Okay, that is, this distance is X, this distance Y, this distance is Z, right? So every point, keep in the mind, every point in XY plane, Z equal to 0. Every point in XZ plane, Y coordinate 0. Every point in YZ plane, X equal to 0, right? So P is a specific point. That point P is situated at the origin R. So here R is the position vector. R is position vector. Position vector. You can write ki R equal to AX I cap AY J cap plus AZ K cap. Here I cap, J cap and K cap is the unit vector, right? अब second thing, what is the range of x, y and z coordinates? Range of x, y and z coordinate, right? So range of x coordinates, here you can say limit of x, y coordinates or limit. So here x is the number system. That means कि minus negative to minus infinite to plus infinite. In the same way, y-axis just like as a number system. We suppose that here is 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, to minus infinity to plus infinity. In the same way, y-axis, right? Minus infinity. Here z is this direction, perpendicular. So minus infinity to plus infinity. So limit or range of x, y, z coordinates is minus infinity to plus infinity, right? Next, to find out, to calculate the line element in Cartesian coordinate. To find, to calculate the line element. So you know line element. Suppose कि line element कि that is here dx, this distance increasing on along x-axis, that is dx. Direction is I cap. So that is known as dl, line element. So line element dlx equal to magnitude is dx, direction is I cap. In the same way, line element in y-axis, this dy j cap, so dly, right? Here dlx, and the same way here dlz cap. So dz k cap. Here dly, so dx I cap. Dx is the magnitude of line element and I cap is the direction along x-axis. I cap is the unit vector. Dly cap, dy cap, dy j cap. Here dy is the magnitude of dly. Similarly, dlz equal to dz k cap, right? So dlx, dly, dlz is the line element along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Here dx, dy and dz is the magnitude of line element, and I cap, j cap and k cap only represent the direction along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Again I repeat this term. So here P is the coordinate system. Yeah, P is rectangular coordinate system in 3 dimensions. So P, x is the distance of P from x-axis, y is the distance of P from y-axis, yeah, z is distance of P from z-axis. Here you can say in x, y, z plane. So x-axis in y, x is distance from y-z plane, and y is distance from x-z plane, and z is distance from xy plane, right? The limit. Again to find out the area element. The area element. So these terms are very important in electromagnetic theory. The area element, suppose that dx and dy, right? Suppose this is dx, yeah, dlx, and dly. Okay, this area. So dlx, area element equal to dlx cross dly. Okay, dlx dly, right? So dlx equal to dx I cap cross dy j cap. So dx and dy is the scalar quantity. Dx dy is the scalar quantity. So dx dy I cross j. Here I cross j equal to k cross k cap. Sorry. So dx dy k cap. K cap is represent to the direction of area element, this direction, right? dlx, dly and k. So here dx dy, that is k is the direction along z, right? In the same way you can also calculate dy dz, dz dx, right? dz ds. Okay, so it is clear. One thing, that is volume element. So volume element, to calculate volume element, so simply ki volume of the parallelepiped A dot B cross C, right? So here dlx I cap, here simply dlx vector dot dly vector cross dlz vector. Okay, so dlx means ki dx I cap dot dy j cap cross dz k cap, right? So dx dy dz is scalar. तो dx dy dz यहाँ पे लिखिए आप I डॉट j क्रॉस k कैप. ओके, j क्रॉस k कैप. अब j क्रॉस k कैप इक्वल टू j क्रॉस k कैप इक्वल टू I कैप, राइट? तो पुट हियर, तो dx dy dz I डॉट I, तो I डॉट I इक्वल टू 1. तो सिंपली dx dy dz, इसको हम कहेंगे d टाउ. ओके, d टाउ. तो here d टाउ is the volume element in rectangular coordinates or Cartesian coordinates. So you can calculate, right? So in the same way, that is area element, volume element and line element. Okay, one thing, why we have to several coordinate system you can transfer. So simply कि suppose three mutually perpendicular axis x, y, z. Okay, right? अब here P is the point. तो Cartesian rectangular coordinates point P, x, y, z. अब suppose that कि this coordinates transfer in the spherical polar coordinates, right? That r, theta and phi, right? So that means कि this system changes to another coordinates system, right? So next we will discuss about the spherical polar coordinates in the next lectures. If any question, so you can practice to calculate the line element, to calculate the volume element, to calculate the area element, and what is the area direction of area element in xy plane, yz plane and zx plane. Okay, thank you.